I'll do is typically there is one more command here called quit. Rather than using close, we can also use quit. Go run it. And this is very popular interview question of Selenium. What is difference between quit and close? Can someone think what will be the difference between quit and close? Yeah, quit is exiting.
Quit.
Yeah.
I think quit means like whatever the function we are calling to stop it, and close it just to close the browser.
Close is just close the browser. Quit is
To
coming out of the application.
whatever, like to stop the function, the job which we are asking to do.
but we are calling both these functions on a Firefox driver object, right?
Yeah.
That object is representing the browser that is open. So this is a browser that is open on my laptop. If I want to say to this browser close, and if I want to say to this browser manually, if you think quit, what would this mean?
It will close all the windows, all the tabs
Awesome.
open.
Awesome. Yeah. So when I say close, when we are here, we are saying just close what you opened just now. Leave other tabs that are there. If I say, okay, close this also, I'm closing. So there is a difference. This button when we are clicking, it's like close. When we are clicking this right side button, that is the quit. Even if you have 10 tabs open, when we say quit, we are saying close from here. That is the ultimate difference. So we can say quit is quit browser window, close is
Tab, browser
close
tab.
current tab. Yeah. Close current tab. If there is only one tab open in the browser, then close and quit have the same meaning. Can we say that? Right? If browser had only one tab open, then even closing that tab will close the browser, because if I open one tab in the browser, see now browser has one tab open. If I close this, then browser is quit. So this gets asked quite frequently in interviews. Can you differentiate between quit and close? Can you give the clear distinction why we will use quit and where we will use close? So most of the times we will prefer to use quit function, because ultimately our intention is if browser is launched, in the end we want to quit it. Okay, so this was introduction to Selenium and launching one browser. Now I'm leaving something as an exercise for you, and that exercise is we did it with the Firefox browser. I want you to repeat this exercise for Chrome driver and for Internet Explorer driver. Only thing that changes in this is the class is going to change. Rest all the functions remain the same. Chrome driver, Firefox, Internet Explorer driver, those classes also expose the same functions, get, quit. These functions are not changing for any browser. They have made it very uniform. Only thing that changes is this. But when we change it to Chrome driver, I change it to Chrome, I can do control space, Chrome driver, right side also I put Chrome driver. Now question to you is, if I run my code just as is, will it work or not? Prudvi, what's your gut call? If I change it and if I press the play button, will it launch the Chrome browser or not? Or anyone else?
No, we have to download the server.
Yes.
For the Zoom.
Yeah. So Chrome driver will have a separate server. Internet Explorer will have separate server. So for every browser, once we have to take care of this one prerequisite, we have to download the server, and that will, once we have downloaded that, then we will be able to run. So if I run this code now, Selenium will try to search for the server. Now see, same kind of error is coming, and this error itself is pointing us, it will give us the link where we should go to download that server. So most of the times if you read this error message, the latest version can be downloaded from this link. You just need to follow the link, go to that site, download, extract it, put it into C Windows System 32. Just go and paste it there, run the same code, it will work flawlessly. right? So this is an exercise that people have to try in the coming week. You have at least a week's time. Give it a try, get familiar with Selenium classes, 3 classes that I have introduced. Okay, so Selenium wise I'm not giving you heavy lifting work, but one thing that I do expect people to do in this week is we did not have any time to spend on loops. I'll just discuss the syntax of loop, and there are exercises on MentorPick site. Spend some time in doing those exercises. If you get stuck anywhere, just feel free to drop me an email. I'll be able to take your questions and help you. Otherwise, next week we'll be discussing the solutions of the loops exercises. I have given one exercise on string because we talked about functions of string class, and 4 exercises on loops.